Hello everyone, my name is Varinder Bansal and I am here to present my CPD portfolio presentation. So starting with the presentation, first of all the overview slide. In this I'm going to cover introduction, overview of professional experience, CPD record sheet, some of the evidences to fulfill my ask criteria, mapping and reflection against each stage of competences, conclusion, and finally some time for Q&A. So first of all, moving to resume, my name is Farinder Bansal, as I already mentioned it, and my address is 36 Field Street, Shepparton, Victoria 3630. My contact is 0451 886767. Currently, I am pursuing Masters of Electrical Engineering in CQ University, Melbourne, and I'm in my fourth semester. I'm gonna finish it soon, and from previously I have done bachelor's of electronics and communication engineering from BGIT, that is Baigodas Institute of Engineering and Technology from Punjab, 2013 to 2017. I have done 6 months internship in networking at A2IT Mohali, and my skills are I'm good at programming with C, C++, and bit of Python. I have worked with routers and modems at A2ID, worked with big microcontroller Raspberry Pi, just at a decent level. I have computer literacy. I'm good with Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. My interests are playing cricket and programming languages. Moving on to the overview of the professional development. As an intern, I'm working as an electrical engineer at Green Grid Energy Systems, that is located in Sydney. There, my responsibilities are developing a good understanding of microgrids, research for load and weather forecasting, design a pricing strategy so like a community can uh, get electricity at a better price, and designing a microgrid static switch if the time allows only, and the simulation of the algorithm using MATLAB. And moving to the CPD record sheet, so I've done a Masters of Engineering, that is like currently I'm in the last sem, so I'll claim 120 hours from that through my practicals that I have performed in the electrical labs, risk assessments, and literature reviews and all. And after that, I'm working as an intern at Green Grid Energy Systems, out of which I have finished 144 hours and 24 240 hours are pending, which I'm gonna finish soon, and that's how I can claim 480 hours. Now this is a certification of evidences. Like uh, I have completed my subjects till the first semester, and I have cleared everyone with 12 credit points. Now first evidence is the Australian engineering practice. So that's the first evidence. I was enrolled in this unit in term 1 2018 and got 12 credit points with distinction. Have written reflective writings in that E stage of competences, code of ethics. I have done a group project as well on microgrids, and have done risk assessment for that. Uh, I have done group meetings. I worked there as a project manager, and we do professional correspondence with conversation professionally. We use Australian standards to deliver the data, and I have earned 24 hours from this unit. Now moving to the second evidence, that's embedded systems. I enrolled in this unit in term 1 2018 and got 12 credit points with credit grade. In this I have written 2 assignments, one lab practical, and one we did a group project on greenhouse monitoring and controlling system. And like prior to this unit, I have never played with microcontrollers actually, and how sensors and actuators work. So in this unit I work with all that stuff and get to know how these work. I got the C programming skills. I used MPLab and CodeBlock software to perform uh, to use in this unit. I have earned 16 hours from this unit. Moving to the third evidence, that's advanced electrical machines and drives. I was enrolled in this unit in term 2 2018 and got 12 credit points with pass grade. And to fulfill the requirement of this, I have done two assignments, one lab report, and a group project as well. So in this subject, we work with the machines and the control systems, how the advanced machines are working. We use electrical lab to perform various experiments with the different kind of motors. I have used MATLAB and AutoCAD in this unit to design the controllers and to perform the calculations. And we use Australian standards, that is AS and NZS 3008 1998 for selection of the components, and I have earned 16 hours from this unit. Now moving to the fourth evidence, it's optical fiber communication. I was enrolled in term 2 2018 and got 12 credit points with pass. We have performed two lab practicals, one literature review, and we done a project and write a technical report on that one. Um, I have never worked before with optical fiber. I have read through it, but I haven't gone through it physically. So I got different kind of data from this, like how to calculate bit error rate, attenuation, dispersion, and kind of things. We use Australian standards as well in this one, and I have earned 16 hours from this unit. Now moving to the fifth evidence, that's digital control systems. I was enrolled in this unit in term 1 2019 and got 12 credit points with credit. I have done two assignments, one lab report and one group project as well on this one. And we design control systems in this one for single synchronous generator power station, and we use MATLAB and Australian standards to choose the components, to design the components. I've got 16 hours from this unit. The next one is engineering research planning, project planning. I was enrolled in this one term 1 2019 and got 12 credit points with credit grade. This unit was specially designed to approach about the learning of the things and to getting stuff. And for this one, I have done a project on solving micro mouse, and to get things, I have done literature review in depth to get to know the procedure, the components used, and I develop, actually not develop, I upgrade and use latest device to build this one, as getting knowledge from the previous methods. And this subject helped me to get the learning very deeply and how to approach to a project. And I get to learn how planning is important before doing any project, like you can reach the target in a very appropriate manner and appropriate time by doing planning properly. I got 16 hours. I have earned 16 hours from this unit. Now it's engineering research project implementation. I'm currently enrolled in this unit. In this unit, we have to proceed as per the planning we have done in the previous term. So in this unit, I get to know how to approach to a plan that we have that we established, and how to reach to the desired goal. In this project, I'm using Raspberry Pi microcontroller to design the micro mouse that I have discussed previously, and this unit helps me to learn like how the deep knowledge is important and how the planning is important to get the appropriate result. I have used Python programming language in this one, that was very new to me, and I'm doing a well job with this one. I've earned 15 hours from this unit. Next one is internship work experience that I have currently enrolled, and I got 44 hours, and still I have to do 40 hours more to fulfill the requirement of this unit. I'm working as an intern in Green Grid Energy Systems located in Sydney. So we are working on microgrids that is basically suitable for community, that can cut down the cost of the electricity and give more reliable electricity facility. With this unit, I'm able to create more links with the engineering world, get to the practical knowledge, how the theoretical things work practically, and this unit is setting a platform me to enter to the engineering world. So this is the E stage of competencies that I have attained through the different evidences like theory understanding, mathematical understandings. I have mentioned each and every one, which one I have got from which evidence. And E stage of competencies 2, E stage of competencies 3. Similarly, the conclusion is like I gained 120 hours from professional development from my study, that is working with the in the labs doing risk assessments and technical reports. I have gained 144 hours out of 384 till 19,929 from internship works till 240 are pending. I learned a lot from this graduation, as such as working with the team, planning project to reach the targets. The internship lead me to the industrial work experience and I have me to implement my knowledge. While working on the engineering in future, I'll apply my knowledge and skills to deliver my best to the organization I'm working for, to the locality and to the nation I'm working for. I'll contribute fully as a team member in projects that I'm going to do with any team. I'll develop new techniques that can enhance the national and nation and make difficult work easy for people. Thank you. If there is any questions, please ask. Thank you.